A lot of my videos consist of me going to the backyard, to the barn for something. I'm after a belt for the lawnmower. I broke it cutting the grass across the street. Let's just hope I have one. I hate having a job that's halfway finished.
Well, I keep all the belts for the mowers in one Tupperware container, and this is it.
So the deck belt is 101.5.
And it looks like I've got 2 of those belts, so we are in luck.
Yeah, obviously not my first time at breaking a belt, huh? This could be like NASCAR, and we could see how fast I can change a belt, because I've done it that many times. Well, I got my money's worth out of it, didn't I?
There's only 2 numbers that are important when you're looking for replacement belts for your lawnmower, and that is how long it is and how wide it is. And the measurement for this 42-inch Craftsman riding mower is 101 inches long and a ½ inch wide. Well, if you're not sure how your belt actually fits around all the rollers on the mower deck, normally there's a sticker on one side or the other that will show you a picture diagram of all the different rollers and how the belt should go. If you're like me and you don't have a sticker, because I've got a replacement deck on this mower, you just sort of have to figure it out or go by memory. The most important thing to remember is the belt has a V side and a flat side, and the flat side goes on pulleys that are flat, and the V side goes on pulleys that have a V shape to them. You might have to go from one side of the lawnmower to the other to reach the belt and to loop it around the pulleys. And make sure you have your deck lowered as low as it'll go. If you still don't have enough room, you could actually disconnect the deck from the mower and then jack the mower up partially a little bit, so at least you can get the belt around all the pulleys. Then you can lower it back down and get it around the engine pulley. Something else that makes it difficult to get the belt back on is normally there's a couple of pieces of metal that'll be close to the pulleys to make sure the belt doesn't come off when you don't have the deck engaged. And they can be a real trick. Sometimes you have to even take a pair of pliers or a screwdriver and push them out of the way and slip the belts underneath them. And here's one of those ones I'm talking about. It's just a straight piece of metal sticking up, but it keeps the belt from coming off the pulleys when the deck's not engaged. Once you've got the belt wrapped around all the pulleys on the deck, then you can go forward and wrap it around the pulley that's connected to the engine. Normally there's 2 small metal brackets on each side of the belt that will hold it in place once it's on. If the engine turns the pulleys, you've got it done right.
Well, I wish I could say practice doesn't make perfect, but I've done that enough times I could probably do it in my sleep. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my videos, and I'll see you in that next lawnmower video.